Hi there, this is Melanie with Fish Sauce Mama. Today I am going to show you a quick way to make steamed rice. I like rice that keeps its shape and a little sticky and smells like rice. I like to keep my rice in this bin here. It's an airtight container. It's actually for dog food. But hey, if you want to keep your rice from the mice, you've got to be a little creative. It also keeps all the moisture out of my rice. I mean, it's a 40-pound bag. That's a lot of rice. Well, it will feed about 4 people for about 3 to 4 months. I am using white, short, and fat grains here. I think they're so cute looking. Much similar to me, but not quite. This measuring cup comes with the rice cooker, but don't get fooled by it. I think sometimes it can be mistaken as a standard measuring cup. I want to show you that it's only 3/4 of a cup dry. Rice, baby. Rice, baby. And here are my rice babies. Right here is the new member. Her name is Z. I call her Z. And left side here is my 5-year-old member. I call her rice cooker. So this baby Z is about $120 cost, and she can make about 5 cups. Rice cooker is $12 and she can make about 3 cups. There are differences in size, but don't underestimate their strength. I added 3 cups of dry rice to each member here. Warning, the next few scenes are going to be horror for some of you guys, so close your eyes to protect yourself if you need to. Add 3 cups of water and give it a good stir. Growing up eating rice quality that is near thrown away value, they were mixed with sand, small rocks, or dust, and a little holes. I had to give a numerous of hours of playing hide and seek and pick all those holes and pebbles and clean them up. Now these are coming to packages where the best quality is shipped out for the market. These have been treated with much love for the profit, so I don't have to pick them anymore. So I mentioned that I like stickiness of it, so washing away all of the starch make my rice dry. My Z requires 60 minutes to cook to her perfection. Now, rice cooker doesn't sing, she just do the job. I like to turn the steamer hole away from the cabinet. This is Z's hole, very fancy and hidden in a secret compartment. At about 20 minutes in, rice cooker is doing her thing. A lot of bubbling and steam. If you have young kids, be careful. It's hot. Don't let them play with the bubbles. If you didn't know to make some awesome rice, it takes an hour or more. You do now. Pineapple and wines are ready for some chill time. Finally, Z steamed out of the whole hole for about 30 minutes mark or so. And that is when rice cooker is done. The next step is very important to me. I want fluffy, sticky rice that keeps its shape. I would go and flake up the rice when it's hot and still a little wet. It's much easier at this time than when it's got cold and firm. I am using my best tool that I am comfortable with for this job. I encourage you to do the same. Z will take another 30 minutes. Instead of continuing drinking wine and eat pineapple, I prepare some of these to get ready for my Hawaiian fried rice. Don't forget to check it out. You know it's coming. Check out my instruction how to use chopsticks before you give up and use a fork, because metal will ruin your baby rice cooker. I think both rice cookers are fine. Z will give me a little more capacity since my family has grown double. Both are sticky. Z is stickier and retain the flavor and the aroma after cooked a little better than rice cooker. Thank you all for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.